first thing we're going to need before we start using Distribution Modeler is a dataset to actually import. So here I have my fire observations dataset in Excel. I have a column for latitude, the corresponding longitude values, and then I have a column for my variable, which is fire, and I have the amount of fire observed at each location. The important thing is just to make sure that your columns are all in the top left hand corner of the screen. Now, this is looking at change over space. We have a variety of locations. You can also look at change over time in one location using the distribution modeler. If you want to do this, you need to lay your data out slightly differently, and I'm going to show you another Excel sheet for how you do that. So here we have the amount of river flow in one particular place in Cambridge. Here is the latitude and longitude, and you then have varying time. So you have your year here, the day, and the amount of flow on that day. If you wanted to, you could also add in an hourly column, so you can have data an hourly resolution as well. But we don't have that for this dataset, so I'm going to delete that. Now, one more thing you need to do before we start using Distribution Modeler is to save your Excel sheet, but you save it as a CSV file, and that's the only way that Distribution Modeler can read it. So all you do is you pick a location to save it, and you make sure that you save it as the type CSV file. Save. Brilliant.